331 days after the first case of COVID-19 in the United States was discovered here in Washington State, a light at the end of the tunnel finally arrived in Klickitat County, the first vaccine, and with it, the hope of returning to a life that the virus changed dramatically for everyone over the last year. Following FDA approval, KVH immediately secured authorization for the Pfizer vaccine and procured the only ultra-cold freezer in the gorge, making the hospital the hub and distributor of the COVID-19 vaccine for Klickitat County. The vaccine arrived on December 17th of 2020, and KVH administered the first doses that same day to frontline medical personnel and first responders. With the reported frustrations and failure of online appointment systems for vaccinations, KVH formed a COVID-19 vaccine hotline and call center to schedule community members. KVH Family Medicine was also proactive and reached out to schedule all patients eligible in the first phase. The structured appointments allow the vaccine team to administer 48 vaccines an hour. Potentially bringing thousands of community members through the hospital over the course of vaccinations would pose undue risk to patients and staff. To ensure the safety of the facility, KVH thought outside the box when creating its program for the largest vaccination project in history. Partnering with Klickitat County and the Klickitat County Public Health Department, KVH designed a drive-through clinic at the county fairgrounds. The layout of the county fairgrounds allows KVH to have safe spaces for each team to assist community members, from filling out necessary paperwork and instructions to administering the vaccine. As a rural farming community, it is quite fitting that Horse Barn B became ground zero, where the vaccine nursing team is sheltered and can vaccinate 3 cars at a time. With this system, patients never have to leave their car for the entire process, ensuring the highest possible safety and efficiency. Klickitat County EMS also partnered with KVH to provide on-site medical coverage for any adverse reactions. In addition, a KVH provider is always on site to answer questions and provide clinical care. Vaccines are pulled each day in a support space provided by the county. Following vaccination, a waiting area was designed for the required 15 or 30-minute observation. A separate driveway then leads vehicles out of the clinic. KVH put together a team of 115 staff and volunteers to support the project. Klickitat County Public Health Department nurses are also assisting in administering vaccines. The drive-through clinic runs 3 days a week, staffed daily by 40 employees and volunteers, providing up to 350 vaccinations a day to the county's at-risk population. In addition to administering the vaccines, KVH orders, stores, and distributes vaccines to county partners at North Shore Medical Group in the western half of the county. By the end of the first 2 weeks of community vaccinations, KVH had administered over 2,000 vaccines and transferred almost 600 vaccines to other county vaccination sites. For more than a year, KVH has been fighting the virus using public health guidelines. But now, with the support of state and local health officials, KVH has been able to go on the offensive by offering the community protection through the COVID-19 vaccine. The district and its staff is committed to this effort and won't stop until everyone who desires to get the vaccine has the opportunity. Thank you, Klickitat County, for supporting us so we can care for you.